Hello YouTube, YOLOSty here and welcome to, I built something on Minecraft with a friend of mine and it is really cool. Like, seriously awesome. Look at this huge block of TNT. And it's filled out, I can show you guys. It's filled out any way you watch. It really filled out. Oops. My friend just joined. I'm giving him the honors of lighting it. And it really is full. You can't believe me. And I'm scared because I have the feeling my game will crash. But please light it in the middle. Please light it here. Come. Thank you. Do you want to say hello?
Hello.
Okay. Light it right there. Wait. In. I'll look if it's still recording, because if not, that would be a bummer. Okay, it's still recording. I just don't want to mess this up. Okay, light it. Run! Oh my god! Okay, put the volume up. Oops! No! My whole game! Why? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That's a big explosion. That is a big... I still hear it exploding. Can I move? No, I can't. I'm really scared. Oh my god. This is so big of an explosion. Do you see the whole thing? I can't see it. I'm stuck. Oh, now I can. Oh my god. It's finished. Oh my god. That's what happens if you light so much TNT. So guys, thanks for watching, and a great thank you to my friend. He did a lot of work on it. And stop lighting. And I'll see you next episode if you're still watching. Bye guys.